Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about PicsArt, and I will like to show you the way how to edit an aesthetic motion blur face on your picture through this PicsArt application. So the first thing you have to do, open your PicsArt application, and whenever you are here, now you just need to go click this plus button, and now you just need to choose and pick the picture that you want to apply the editings. Just need to find the picture first, and whenever you're done, go click it and you will work with the project. And here we already have the picture, and to get a blur or motion blur face, you just need to come into this effects, and now you need to jump into the blur sections right here. And after that, you just need to find which blur sections that you which type of blur that you want to apply. So let's say you want to cut this radial blur here, and after that, to only apply it into the face, you just need to go click this eraser tools right here. And after that, you just need to choose that you only want to put this blur effect into the face by click this face. And now you only got those blur effect only on your face. And if you are satisfied with the result, go click this checklist button. And now you already got those aesthetic motion blur only on your face. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.